Joining me by phone, I've got Kristina Ruehli, one of Cosby's many accusers. She thinks she may have been the first he allegedly assaulted. Thank you so much, Kristina, for joining us. What was it you experienced?
Well, I was very fortunate. I went to a party at his house, or so I thought. There was one other woman there. He offered me a drink. I remember thinking as I sipped the drink that there was some strange taste to it, like, wow, this is really strong. There was a certain kind of burny taste to it. And I blacked out. Like many others who've talked, I awakened naked in bed with him, and I was very fortunate. I was so sickened by the drug that I ran into the bathroom and threw up violently. When I came out, because it was now early, so light was starting to come up, I ran back out, and he was gone.
Kristina,
and so I left and went home, and I had to go to work that day.
Kristina, were you? I think I heard you tell your story once, and were you the one that was told by your boss to sort of shut up when you brought it up?
I never brought it up with my boss. No, that was someone else. I was afraid to tell anyone because he was a client of my company, or so I believed at the time. He was often around the office of the talent agency where I worked.
I see. And you testified in the civil case against Mr. Cosby. Do you expect to be called as a witness in the criminal case?
No, I was a Jane Doe in the criminal case 10 years ago. We never testified. We were given affidavits to sign as to what had happened. I volunteered to come forward anonymously and, not as a plaintiff, but I never knew there were any others.
Do you have concerns about the accusations of some of the women? Do they all seem the veracity?
No,
you don't
not
have
at
any
all.
concerns.
In fact, the more I hear, the more a similarity. For instance, this was 1965, and the next three women after me that he assaulted were all had something put in their drink. Then in the late 60s, you start hearing about women taking Quaaludes, or he gave them a pill, etc. So I think he changed his routine, but nonetheless, we all woke up from being completely out. And the more that I've met, there's so many similarities between the bathrobe, the fascination with hair, very similar things. You could literally make a chart of them.
Kristina, thank you so much for sharing this with us. John, you've now spoken, you said, to two other women that have been through this experience. Same stories?
They generally tell the exact same story, and that's what is, look, it's all circumstantial without physical evidence, but that's what is, in some ways, it ties everything together. They all tell nearly the identical story.